First, we do this multiplication. 1 over 4 times 4. We can easily cancel this 4 and this 4, so we have just 1. And 20 divided by 1, which gives us 20. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay, so first we do this division. 20 divided by 1 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 4. So 20 times 4 times 4. 20 times 4 gives us 80. And 80 times 4 is just 320. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 320.